Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well with you. Your favorite sewist seamstress, is back again. LesAnn of LesAnn Creations, coming to you with another project, transforming a jumpsuit that was bought online but needed some revamping to fit correctly and look fabulous on my client. So here we go. Make sure, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel. That way you see when I post another video of something fabulous. This is a Sheen dress, or excuse me, Sheen jumpsuit that I transformed. Now, with this particular outfit, it was a little tedious because of all the stitching that I had to remove. The things that I had to do to make it fit my client well was remove the panty part, which was fit more full in the front but not no coverage in the back within the jumpsuit. Also, I had to adjust the bra area so that she could wear a bra that actually matched the jumpsuit, because there was no support at all. So it's not meant for well-endowed women. So anyway, so I had to start also and reduce the crouch length. It was too long for her. So right here in the video, I am actually removing the stitches in between the legs, about 6 inches in total. And then I will be removing some of the stitches that are going down the leg so I can shift the crouch in the front towards the back. Here I am actually removing some excess in the front of the jumpsuit at the waistline. I cut down about an inch. That inch shortened the crouch in the front, as well as when I took some excess out of the leg portion. There was a elastic going around the waistline. That elastic wasn't for cinching, it was for stability, giving additional support, because it's an all laced jumpsuit. Of course, in the midst of me sewing this, I ran out of thread, so I had to rethread the machine and go ahead and sew again. Plus, I think I had one other problem, which was it was not continuously going when I did replace it. And it was a quick fix, but the fix was I had to clip a string that was catching on my bobbin housing, which caused it to continually break. If you've seen my short, you'll see what I did. I'm going to take and remove this excessive stitching or thread off this elastic, which is only used as a stabilizer in the waistband, and I'm going to serge it into place. Then I'll shorten, cut a triangle out of the leg portion. What I was doing here is removing the excess amount of fabric that was left in the leg area when I shortened the crouch. So that's the triangle portion of one leg, and I did the same to the other, making sure things are even. Now, I did continually do a little bit more clipping because I want the migration from the original leg width to the adjustment in the crouch to not have a hump there. So I want to smooth it out as much as possible. I did not record when I took this jumpsuit to the serger to finish off the edges. It just was much easier to start on my sewing machine to make sure everything was matched up well. So I appreciate you watching. Let me know if you learned anything, if you have any questions about anything, because yeah, I forgot a few other pictures that I wanted to include. I just can't find the footage. Oops. But anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. I am Leslie of LesAnn Creations. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you all the next time. Deuces!